Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you're guessing what we're playing today, we're playing Animal Hospital. But anyways, my mic can be a little bit weird, so maybe it's gonna be raspy and then it's gonna be good. But anyways, let's get into the video. That's not much, but if you think of it, it takes like 30 to it takes like 2 hours. I wonder how many 100 shifts takes. Okay, we gotta take this one, and we're gonna talk a little bit of my, talk, and we're also gonna, play the game as the same. I really want to come up to many days, and we'll see if we do. This video is 34 minutes and 14 seconds, so I hope really I can have some time to make this shift. And by the way, if you haven't follow me right now. I want to reach the goal 1,000 followers so I can go live and play with you guys in Roblox. So yeah, and I'm also gonna do lives when I come to 1,000 followers with Kitty Roblox. And she's my bestie in real life also, and she's coming in. She's coming at Sunday here actually. I'm so excited because we live far away from each other. Like it takes 2 hours to go to her, and the same here. So I really hope this goes good. I feel like it takes like 2 hours and 30 minutes to go here and there and everywhere. But yeah. Okay, we have this patient. I got ram too. Stop being so big. Stop being so pick-me when you like say all the time like, oh my god, I got ram too. Oh my god, how cringe can I be more? Well, you can find out in this video because I'm making this 34 minutes and it's already at 44 minutes, so wonder how long this is gonna take. I have already 59 sanity. Think that I had 62 when I joined and already at 59. Like, you have to pay $1,000 to have more sanity because this is gonna go next day on 1%. I don't know why. Is this also to you? Your sanity goes down much faster in the start when you start the game, and then at the end of the game where you're about to die, it takes slower time to go and die. That's super weird. Okay, here's the doctor. I feel like he's a little bit sus, and you're maybe wondering why. You must be a new hire. I hate Dr. Harlow because if you really close look at his purse, it says my secret or something, secret luggage or something, and I wonder what's inside. Always when I play this, I wonder what's inside. I wonder what's behind that door he sits in his office, you know? He's not gonna come here. That little anomaly is not gonna come anywhere close. You're gonna go home. You're gonna go home as you want it. I'm not gonna take care of zombies. I mean, look! No! Not this guy. So yeah, Oh fuck no! Oh fuck no! No 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 nah. Oh my god. My sanity is so low because they said in that game that I was scared, terrified. I'm not terrified of someone that doesn't even have eyes and can see. Okay, let's take some coffee so I can get more energy or like sanity or whatever. That's how it sounded instead of saying whatever. Why does everyone look sus in their picture? Like, look at her picture. She's just standing there. Yeah, she's just standing there. Ang ganda printy din. Sorry. Okay, guys. Should I sing a song? I'm gonna sing Gnarly. I could describe everything with one single word. You know, like boba tea, gnarly Tesla, gnarly fried chicken, gnarly burn all with hells. This song, gnarly, oh my god, no beat. Gnarly god, is this real? Everything's gnarly. Oh, yeah, I was like, again, okay, nope. I'm not gonna sing more because what if someone makes an edit of me and it's like Babati gnarly. In real life right now I found my bandage that I used on a scar, I think, that I got my foot because you had on sandals that was a little bit heel and it was like you can get those bubbles. If you know what I mean, bubbles on if you're too tight on your heels. But yeah, let's get some maple syrup. Why is it maple syrup when you play this? Why is it so much maple syrup? Why is it so much maple syrup? Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Sorry, I mean that. But yeah, I have to hold my mic right now because apparently I'm using my brother's headphones and they're too big. I don't know, not the ritual. But yeah, apparently I don't have my own headphones, so I have to use my brother, and his head is too big, so I have to like make them smaller by pressing the frickin' headphones and holding my mic instead of, it's like gaming headphones, so you don't hold it, but I have to because the mic is too much away from me, or else gonna eat. Okay, sorry, I just did some ASMR. ASMR. Boy, you didn't even hear. Huh? You didn't even hear. Okay, guys, now we're gonna take care of my patience, my dear. Patience. Releasing. Okay. Oh no, not this. Not this, not this, not this, not this, not this. This is the one with the eyes on the roof. And if you look up, you get a jump scare. And I saw that one video when someone was like playing the game and looked up and they didn't even look up and they got jump scared. So I don't want that to happen. And I'm especially scared when I'm alone in the server. You may be calling me a kid, but I'm not a kid. Second of all, it's pretty normal when you're a little bit of a clown and you don't want to risk your life even though it's a game and it doesn't even come up. Anyways, Yeah. What? No service? Of course you get no server. You're a literally anomaly. You're an alien. You're a parasite. Why? Why would I invite you? Who the fuck would invite Anomaly? I don't want a freaking Transylvania here. Okay, the doctor, I won't invite you either because you're probably an anomaly because I literally see on your luggage or like whatever that it says top secret or something like that. I know it. I just know it. My top secret. See? It says top secret. Why would I invite you? Oh fuck no. I saw something super duper scary berry. Okay. Hi, my name is Mommy. Sorry, I ain't got no money. I'm just trying not to be funny. That's legit my life. Sorry, I don't got no money from YouTube yet because I am not popular there, but I can be funny. No, I was kidding. Thanks, I'll be room 1. Stop being pick-me's. Why do I always keep seeing the scary people? Like, I always see the scary. Okay, I also always wait because you never know when you can see, you know, those eyes on the roof of, like, yeah, the roof. Okay, let's take care. We need some herbs, herby derbies, herbs, and medicine, or what the fuck. Okay, yeah, medicine. I got it right. Only those that are baddies get it right. Okay, now you're recovering. Bye. So yeah. Okay, let's wait until someone come. I'm actually sick in real life. I have like snoring, but I think I'll be better when Kitty comes. Kitty. I'll be super better. I feel like I will be I'll probably be not sick when she comes. So yeah, I'll not be sick. So yeah, okay. It's actually fun when you like see people on the picture. I'm not gonna kid, but I'm not gonna look for it now. I'm not gonna be sick because I've already been sick for a week, so it will like stop when I'm done. And she's coming Sunday, so I hope I can be not sick when that happens. So yeah. So what are we gonna talk about? No, not that thing. Don't look up. I see it on the down thing. Don't look up. Okay, now we're gonna make your heartbeat. Make the heartbeat. Okay, action needed. Okay, let's boinky boink. No! No! Let's make some heartbeat again. Heartbeat. Okay, now we're finally done. That was kind of an exercise. Exercise. Okay, I don't know. Exercise. That was an exercise. Never be doctor, guys. Never be doctor. It's hard. But if you want to, of course. But if you don't have the willingness, don't. Because, see, I'm working hard right now in Roblox. I'm working hard in Roblox. Only in Roblox, not in real life. And I haven't got a job in real life. So here I am making videos with you guys. And I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it for fun. But if you want to subscribe, make sure to do that. I make videos sometimes and also shorts. And if you want to be a fan with me, comment a cake emoji in the comments. And not this emoji, this specific emoji. Okay. No service? Of course! You're an anomaly! Sorry. Gotta prepare my voice. And some tea because I'm tea, and also because my voice, it's destroyed. Okay, now I'll drink my tea. And it's cold tea because I love cold tea. Actually, I lovey. Okay, let's take the picture and see what we see. See what we see. That's not a song, I'm just taking it. Oh, she looked weird with blue on. Okay, now we're gonna treat our patients. So yeah. Oh no, not the slime. Not the slime. Okay, now it's just spraying. Spraydito, sprayilato, sadibato. Susie, back up. Sassy baka. Okay, now we're playing. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm bored. But treating this patient. Maple syrup. Why do they need maple syrup? That's literally for food, okay? Okay, but yeah, let's take it. Oh my game. Bubble gate. That's literally in every game. Like, you always see like bubble gate. You see always like one more game. I hate that, especially when you like leave those games or it's like challenges. It comes out like one more game. When you like leave, and then it's also always like get free gifts if you're staying. I'm gonna stay in 5 seconds and accept the gifts, and then I leave. That's what you mean. Sorry, I'm bored. And it's not me farting, it's just my voice. Or is it? No, I was kidding. Don't make it to a mysterium. I just say that. I need some coffee because my sanity is super low, and I just used it and I'm feeling good. I know that I would. Oh, hell nah. Hell nah. Oh, hell no! Oh, no, no. My voice is beautiful and broken. Okay, let's just see which medicine. Let's just see which medicine we're using. Okay, this time it isn't maple syrup, and maple syrup isn't even a medicine in this game, clearly, but let's make it more human-like, okay? Okay, let's use some eye dropsies. Now we need some bandage. Banditos. Where's my banditos? Let's take it. Oh, hell no. I'm trying not to look up. I accidentally looked up for 1 second and they didn't give me a jump scare. Maybe I should do that often. As you can see, I'm pretty sick, so. But it's getting better. It's getting better. I haven't like sneezed in the whole day, so that's a bonus point for me. That's a bonus point for me. I really feel like it is. Okay, now the doctor's coming that I'm very sus about. If you know, you know. It literally says it on the luggage. Top secret. Still here, huh? And the last guy got eaten by the bed monster. That's why I always carry maple syrup. It isn't a medicine! Okay. Stamp the paper or what the fuck it is. Hola. Oli dapo. I don't know why I just said that. Oh hell no, oh hell no, oh hell no. Oh hell no. Not today, not today, not today. I mean, if you wonder why I don't post that much, it's because I've run out of ideas for shorts and videos, but here it comes a new game that I really love. So we're posting it. We're posting it. Sorry, I just woke up. Okay, I didn't woke up, but I'm lazy and I'm sitting in my bed editing right now. So yeah. Do you also get those snore bubbles in your nose? Not to be ugly or something. Ugly, not to be disgusting or something, but do you get those? Comment down below in the comment section. Okay, now we gotta hurry. Okay, we did it. Yay. I'm actually the best doctor because it only took 2:42 seconds when it was like 42 seconds of timer left. So peace out. Okay, now we're gonna see what we can do here. What can we do? Okay, guys. Let's give it. Okay, recover you. No, I don't want to be in there. Okay. Oh, it's a patient waiting there. Not the bed monster. I have to. You see that red spot right there? That red spot? It's if you go inside that spot, you'll get dragged by the bed monster under the bed and die. Unfortunately. So I'm not gonna stomp on that side, okay? So we're not gonna step on that side. We need temper and we need also ointment and I don't know what the other one is called. Being medicine or something like that. I feel like it's something like that. Okay, now let's try. We're gonna get some ointment. Hey, let's give it and save her day. Okay, the bed monster has faint. Oh, it's so boring because I haven't killed anyone, so it left. Okay, now she's resting. Oh my god. I sound like a pigweed right there when I say. Okay, let's give it. Actually, Kitty have already played this, and me too. So we're gonna like play together sometime. I hope. Kitty though. And foam. Okay. Microphone, my mouth. I don't know why. I'm bored, as you can see, and I'm always bored. So it's not because of you guys or this game at all. In the sports city here by iPad. That's why I'm doing vocals, and it's right now at 26 minutes. It has gone 26 minutes, so it's like, wait, let me calculate my numbers. Little Timmy say it. Let me calculate my numbers. Okay. So it's clearly 7 minutes left until this video. So yay. Sorry, it's not because I don't like filming. It's because vocals is a little bit boring. Little bit. Because you sit here and just watch your video. Like the video, and you're like sitting there and like, oh, let's do some vocals, and then you just talk while you're watching literally the video. So it's kind of boring, if you know what I mean, especially with no sound on the video when you're doing vocals in CapCut. And the edit app I actually use is CapCut. I also use template, but I always have to tag down below template so I don't get hate comments about me not tagging because I didn't tag template. And many people think I'm using templates. I'm using templates sometimes, but sometimes I don't. I've done one video when I reached like 20 followers on YouTube or like subscribers on YouTube. So then I did my own edit because I feel like you can't use an edit that someone else did on your video because you hit like 20 subscribers and your subscribers were nice enough. So yeah, I did my own there. But it's not to be mean. I always give credits, or kind of give credits. I always like say down below like the hashtag template. So yeah. Oh no, it's a fire word. Fire. Hurry. Oh no. I'm losing my sanity. Now the fire in room 7 has been put out. Thank you. Now we're closing everything, and yep. Okay, let's give it up. I'm using headphones also because if you know, my normal microphone that is in my iPad that I edit on is always broken. It's like it has like, if you hear it, it's like, or like, it's like that when I talk, and sometimes it takes over, so it's like you can't hear me at all. So yeah. Hey, I want to check in as a patient. I'm mysterious. I'm mysterious. So yeah, I'm super bored, that's why. But it's only 4 minutes. I'm finally done with the vocals when I'm done with that, so I really hope. Now let's get her to her bed, and yeah, and everything. Blah, 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 blah. Now let's get there. Anyway, hey, now let's fix this customer. Let's fix her broken. We have to fix many patients because many patients has come in, and I have missed one of them right now, so I am doing the missed one that has missed everything. So I'm doing the newest patient later after this one. So yeah, let's get it. Let's pump it. Okay, now that her scan is complete and I did 0 mistakes, and if you take a photo of me doing the mistake before, I dare you to not post it on TikTok. Wait, I have TikTok, but I don't post on it. Should I post? Wait, should I post? Guys, you better follow me there on TikTok then. I'll be so mad or else, because I didn't even get followers on my last account when I had Alexa Violet. But yeah, ask in the comments if you want Alexa Violet's channel, and ask random questions also, because I'm bored. And so I'm always bored, because or else I didn't have time to make this video right now. Facts. But yeah. Yeah. It's only 2 minutes left of the video. Oh fuck no, not those ones. Oh no, the teaser, razor or something. Teaser didn't work. Oh my god, those are scary. They just smile at you and like, let's kill you. Oh no, not those ones. Like, don't look up, don't look up. I'm gonna look up. No, it's okay. I'm not gonna look up. Have you noticed that all the computers look like those ones from the Amazing Digital Circus? And on that computer at the where you check in patients, that one also sounds like the Digital Circus datas. Oh my god, this is what it look. If you're outside the room and not inside the room, you can look at it, and it looks like eyeballs for real. Oh hell nah, bro. What the fuck, man? Get your ass out of here. Okay, we're just gonna close the doors. Close the doors and open up to me. That's actually a song. The other ones I'm singing, ignore those. But not Anomaly, because that one is right. Ah! Oh my god, I died. But guys, bye guys, and make sure to follow Mito. Okay, bye guys.